This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your home app and TV are on the same Wi-Fi and the same Google account. This link is the control pathway. Once done, open the Google Home app, add your TV or Chromecast as a device, and follow the device-specific pairing prompts. You do this because Google Home uses local discovery and account linking to send commands. Make sure voice match or permissions are granted so commands are accepted. This reduces friction when you switch to voice control. Next, configure the control details. Name the TV clearly in Home so you can say its exact name, and set a default input if you use Chromecast or smart TV apps. Enable HDMI CEC on the TV so power and input switching happen automatically when you issue commands. Once configured, train yourself with exact phrases like, "Hey Google, turn on living room TV," or set volume to 20. This matters because precise names and HDMI CEC let Home translate simple commands into reliable. Finish by building routines and using the Home app as a tactile backup remote. Create a movie routine that dims lights and switches the TV to your streaming input. You can also use the on-screen remote in the Home app for precise navigation or text entry when voice input fails. If something goes wrong, reboot the router, power cycle the TV and Chromecast, then reauthorize the device in Home. This clears network or pairing issues. Keep HDMI CEC on and names consistent to avoid future confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.